Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. I just thought I would pop on and say that they have released the first of the spoilers for the Causebox for spring. If you don't know, Causebox is kind of like a FabFitFun box. It's a seasonal box that comes out in spring, summer, fall, and winter. And it's $54.95 if you do it seasonally, $49.95 if you do it annually. And when you go to their website to sign up for your first box, generally they have a $10 off coupon. The beauty is it's socially conscious. They use companies and people and they do handmade goods and it's just more socially aware. So I feel good, like I'm giving back when I get all of these wonderful goodies at my house. But I just thought that I would let you know that the first spoilers are out. The first one they released yesterday was the actual box. It's so pretty and bright and pastel that it just makes you ready for spring. I just can't wait. Because it is a snowy day out there today and I would love for it to be spring. And the second spoiler came out today and it's the first actual product. And it is a beautiful silky scarf that's 33 by 33. And it comes in three pretty colors, a marigold yellow, a rose pink, and a sky blue. They're so pretty. And if you are an annual subscriber, you can pick which color you want. If you do seasonal, they choose for you. So it looks like it's time for me to sign up for the annual because that blue has my name written all over it. But I just wanted to be sure nobody missed that because it's the season. And we're one product in and I'm already excited. So thanks for coming by, guys. Please like and subscribe. I'll try and keep you up to date. And I have more unboxings coming soon. Thanks for coming by, guys. Bye.